Red flag ba kapag kinukwento yung pag-aaway or miscommunication nyo ng partner mo sa friend nila? This is something we discussed already before. And this is actually cheating for us, di ba?
Yeah.
I think na-discuss natin to sa cheating series.
Sa cheating, yeah. Sa cheating series.
Red flag yon.
Dapat kasi, problema yung mag-asawa. Kahit dalawa pag-usapan nyo. Ngayon, may mga instances talaga na maaaring gusto mong may ma-share.
Sa amin kasi, we're open to discuss mga ganito arguments namin with friends. Magkasama kami when we share it to our friends. And we're comfortable to share it even together. Kasi we're not trying to...
maghanap ng kakampi.
Na magkaroon ng kakampi. I'm not sharing this for you to hate her. I'm sharing this para maybe you can give us an advice or maybe just listen.
Yeah.
Diba?
Kasi na ito yung pinagdadaanan lang namin. Talagang kinakwento lang namin to sa tingin naming mga taong...
Masasabi ko, ang swerte namin sa mga friends namin. Kasi sometimes, ginagawa nilang comedy yung pag-aaway namin. They make us feel happy together with them na yung tipong aayain nila kami kumain o kaya naman makikipagbiruan sila about certain things or make fun of us, di ba, about what we're arguing about. It feels nice. Parang masarap sa puso kasi, di ba, we're not against each other. We're just trying to share it with people para masarap sa pakiramdam yung ganon. Compare natin na kapag kayo is nagsha-share or yung partner nyo nagsha-share sa iba, tapos it's technically something that goes back to you negatively or tipong napapasama ka, di ba? Hindi maganda yon. It's totally a red flag.